Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to approve a sponsor on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your mobile device. And then, from the home screen, tap on the activity icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap View right next to Request for Approval. Once you're on this screen, simply review the terms and conditions and then tap Approve at the bottom. In case if your account is not verified, Cash App will prompt you to verify your account using your legal name, date of birth, and social security number. Once you have approved a sponsor request, you'll be able to track the sponsored account's activity from your Cash App in real time. Well, that's how you approve a sponsor on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.